The morning in our Amazon is a bit different today because Toonie the bird promised everyone she would sing for them. But the problem is, Toonie's preparation is never ending.
My throat is itching today. Wait, let me drink some warm water.
Oh, Toonie the bird. Listening to your ah-ah-ee-ee made me hungry. Will you sing, or should I go home and sleep?
Leo the king, uncle. Artists need time to set the mood. You won't understand. You only know how to say,
I love listening to songs. But nothing enters my ears if my stomach is empty. Toonie the bird, will your song be as sweet as bananas?
Shh! Everyone quiet! Toonie's sister is grabbing the mic.
Ooh, tiger, the king of the jungle, only eats meat. And look at Ellie brother's giant belly. It's a disaster. Oh la la la, oh la la la. I may be tiny Toonie, but my voice is big. You'll all dance to my song and shake your hips. Fizzy is very clever with his bright red tail. Rabbit brother jumps around just like a twig.
Dance everyone, sing along, today's a great day.
Look how Sunagos.
Oh, wow! What a song! My whole body is shaking!
Hey, Ellie, stop crashing into me with your giant body.
Leo the king will be flattened.
you rocked it, Toonie the bird. Felt like I was at a Mumbai concert.
Thank you. Honestly, today's practice wasn't even good.
You call that singing? My roar is more melodious. Listen. Halloum.
No, Leo the king. Your roar has no melody, only fear. Toonie the bird song made me emotional. And hungrier too.
Leo the king is jealous. Whenever he sings, everyone runs away in fear.
What did you say, little rabbit? I'll make you my lunch today.
Their laughter didn't last long. Suddenly, the bright noon sky turned as dark as night. A rotten smell spread through the forest.
Oh no! Why are my feathers standing up? Where did this cold wind come from?
I think a huge storm is coming. Should I hide in the banana bushes?
Quiet. This isn't a storm. Can you feel the ground shaking? Something is descending from above.
Everyone hide behind the trees. Quick!
I have arrived. This forest is mine now. Where are all the forest animals? Starving. Who wants to be my meal?
Fizzy! It will eat us! Look how huge it is!
Did you see its beak? Looks like an axe.
No one coming out? Fine, I'll find you myself.
I am Leo, the king of the forest. Who are you, outsider?
I am the monster bird.
I travel across nations, eating forests whole. Today is your turn.
Leave now, or I'll smash you with one swipe.
Oh, little kitty. You want to fight? Come close.
Halloum.
With a light flap, the monster bird blew the Leo the king away like a football into a thorn bush.
Ouch, my back. Body harder than concrete.
Told you, King. Strength won't work. Run! Oh my! Was that a bird or a dragon? I'm going to get a heart attack.
Leo the King, are you okay? Your tail looks a little bent.
I'm fine. I was just checking this strength. It cheated.
What will we eat now? If we go out, it'll eat us.
We need to think calmly. It must have a weakness.
Weakness? It looked like it was made of iron.
I have an idea. Let's feed it rotten carrots. It'll get sick and die.
Are you dumb? It wants to eat Ellie and you'll give carrots?
What? It wants to eat me? No, I'm very bitter. Can't eat me.
I'll tickle its feet. It'll die laughing.
All your ideas are useless. Listen, I noticed it is extremely proud of its strength and beauty. Its ego will be its downfall. Ellie, brother, fill your trunk with as much water as possible. We'll soak it so it can't fly.
Okay. Today, I'll spray water like the fire service.
I'll distract it.
As planned, Junie the bird flew around the monster bird, while the Ellie secretly loaded water.
Take this, rotten bird. My super shower. Haven't bathed in days. Thank you, Fatty. The water is nice and cold. What? It's enjoying the bath. Oh no, it's not afraid of water.
It's enjoying it.
Bath is over. Now time for breakfast. I'll eat the elephant first. So much juice inside.
Oh no! Run!
We're finished. Today, we're all going into its stomach. I want to write my last will.
I didn't even get married yet.
Stop crying. I have a solid plan. Junie, didn't you say there's a magical mirror in the old palace?
Yes, but it's very heavy.
Heavy things I can handle, but what will a mirror do?
The monster is very proud of itself. When it sees its own reflection, it'll think another monster has come. It will fight its own reflection.
And we'll trap it during that confusion? Not bad, nephew.
Ugh, so heavy. My back is hurting.
Put it down gently. If it breaks, we're doomed.
Place it under this tree. I've set up the net above.
I'm making the ground slippery with glue.
I'm going to bring the bird. Everyone, take your positions.
Hey, Mr. Rotten Bird!
A bird bigger and prettier than you has arrived in this forest. You are nothing.
What? Bigger than me? Who is he?
He's the new king of the forest, and he said he will chew you up. Come if you dare.
Where is he? I'll eat him first.
Clever Junie led the monster bird straight toward the mirror.
Hey, who are you? Why are you copying me?
I am the new Don of this forest. Leave now, or I'll crush you.
How dare you? Come here.
This is it. He's confused.
Action!
The huge net fell from above as the tiger cut the rope and the sticky ground trapped its feet.
What is this? Let me go! This is cheating!
Not cheating. This is Fox's trick. Now take this.
Here's some chili powder.
Ah! My eyes! Burning! I can't see!
I'll never come back to this forest. All of you taste rotten. I'm leaving.